everybody, welcome to the stream. Happy Saturday. I hope you're having a good day so far. Today, it's my birthday, except yesterday was my birthday, but today's my birthday for stream. You know what I mean? Only 364 days until my birthday. Thank you, Flying Suits. Exactly. Well, I thought that today, I think I'm gonna try and play a lot of games. Like, my plan for the beginning of stream is, like, have my birthday in Pokopia, have my birthday in Tomodachi Life, have my birthday in Animal Crossing, you know, like, cover all of those bases. And then after that, I don't know, I might play Fields of Mystria or something. We're just gonna kind of see where the wind takes us today. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think there's also a new event in Pokopia, so maybe I'll play it a little bit longer. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We're gonna probably do a lot of things today. Anything could happen. Okay, I actually don't know what I'm gonna do first, though, so I guess we'll probably just sit here and yap for a second, and then, you know, go from there. I haven't seen what happens on your birthday in Tomodachi Life yet, so I'm kind of excited to have a chance to see it. It should be kind of fun. Maybe I'll do that first, because that's maybe what I'm most excited about this time. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, hi everybody. It does seem that notifications just went out. Hi everybody. I hope you're having a good day so far. Welcome back. Yeah, yesterday I went to Animal Kingdom with my family, so that was kind of fun. And then today I sat on the couch and watched Top Chef all day until I went live. So I'm having a great time. So that's the dream birthday experience, you know? I thought about going to the farmer's market today, but then I was like, oh, it's too hot. I just don't want to, I just can't. I don't want to go out. I spent all day yesterday outside, like, I don't need to do that again. It's too much. So, I didn't go to the farmer's market today like I normally do on a Saturday, but yeah, it was pretty bad yesterday. Luckily, yesterday, it rained. Like, honestly, around this time, it was like 1 or 2 that it rained, which is early for a summer storm in Florida. And you might be thinking, lucky, rained. Hear me out, though. Normally, when it rains here, it becomes worse. The heat is worse. It's like it absolute downpour, thunderstorm, lightning nightmare for like half an hour. And then all of a sudden, it's like the sun is back out as if it never happened, except everything is wet. And so you can see all the steam rising off the pavement, and it feels like you're in a sauna. Like, the humidity is already 100%, now it's like 200% humidity. But yesterday, it did not do that. It stayed cloudy, and then got windy after it rained. So it actually became nicer. So it kind of felt like a birthday gift to me from the sky. Hi, Amanda, thank you for the gifted subs. So it was actually, like, good yesterday, so that was nice. I appreciated that one. Especially because we were out, you know? Because we were, like, actually outside. And when it did rain, I was like, you know what? Now I feel cooler. And then it stayed cooler, so. Lovely. Emily, thank you for the resub. For the gifted sub, sorry. And Emma, thank you for the resub. Okay. Do you all want to play Tomodachi Life first, then? Is that what we're going to start with? I started the stream just chatting, because I was like, I don't know what game I want to play first. But I think that might be what I'll do first. Tyza, thank you for the resub. Porky, thank you for the gifted subs. Maisie, Corinne, thank you so much. Games, thank you so much. Okay, let me turn my Switch on. Since we're over here. Hold on, I have to plug this in, I think, to my controller. Just in case. Might as well charge it. Oh, I didn't even open my capture software. I was like, why can't I see my Switch? Because you didn't open it? That'll be why. Give it a second, it'll come back. There we go. Now we're talking. Oh, Britt, thank you for the gifted subs. Thank you so much. Okay, we have to cheat. Hold on. If we want it to be my birthday, it has to be yesterday. Hopefully we don't have any problems with Tomodachi Life now. I didn't open it yesterday, so I think we should be okay. But we gotta be a little bit sneaky here. Tyza, thanks for the— oh no. How, like, so I know it's gonna punish me, but like, how much is it gonna punish me? Can I actually not open my store at all today? I'll survive. All the stores will be closed. Oh, that's fine. I want to see my birthday, so I can handle it. I can be brave. Change the birthday to today in game. Do you think I should do that? Ah! Oh, check the shops first. Oh my god, that's really smart. Okay, wait. So let's put it, like, correct. We'll open it and check the shops, and then we'll go to yesterday. Okay. See? Thank you. Eleni, thank you for the bits and for the kind words. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. FMG and Pixie and Boswell and Tyza and Tori and Mandy and Monkeys and Truck, thank you for all the resubs. I'm sorry if I missed anything. I probably did. All right. Let's see what we've got. It's your birthday next Saturday? Nice. Nice. August is a wonderful time to be born. No bias. Oh, I'll take that. I also appreciate that Pulp is the one that sold it to me. You know? Okay, what do we got in the food mart today?
Welcome.
Hot and sour soup for $14, and my birthday is the 14th. I already have a lot of biscuits and kimchi, so I probably shouldn't, like, overdo it too much.
Thank you very much.
All right. Hold on, we gotta check this first. Maybe I'll change my stream category to say Tomodachi Life then. Tomodachi Life. Oh, that's the old one. Sometimes I do that with Animal Crossing because when you like search the name of a game to put the category on Twitch, the older Animal Crossings always come up before New Horizons. And so I'm just like, no, Animal Crossing, and then I'm like, no, not that one. Same thing as this. It like wants to default to the older one. Anyway.
I can't explain it, but the mods is on my mind all the time lately. I knew it. I'm in love with the mods. I want to shout it from a mountaintop. I'd love to go on a date with the mods.
Not getting along, by the way. That's so funny when that happened. Mob. I just said mob instead of Bob. The mods and Bob, their ship name is Mob. Bob's like, I'm in love with them. The mods are like, ooh. That's a one-sided thing. Does he have all the quirks? Oh, he doesn't have a way of walking yet. Can I make him walk with tiny steps? Oh my god! Oh my god! Lucy gifted 200 subs! Oh my gosh! Lucy, thank you so much for doing that. So many people just got a sub in chat because of Lucy. I had to like do a triple take at that because there was like 2 more zeros than I was expecting. Oh my god. Whoa. Thank you. Well, oh my god. Can I make Bob walk with tiny steps? Or do you think that he could walk cutely like this? Sorry, I'm actually losing my mind still a little bit. You like the rodeo one? That is kind of funny. Rodeo, cutely, tiny steps. What if we did a poll? I'm gonna beat the mods. Okay. Vote. I beat them. Okay, sometimes I say, what if we had a poll? And then the poll appears before I even have a chance to type it myself. Gig, thank you for gifting subs too. Thank you so much. Okay, Tiny is winning, like, by far. Like, so many people want Tiny. It's 53% Tiny, and then 27% Rodeo, and 18% Cute. So he's gonna walk like this. That's so Bob. He's so adorable. I think he might be my favorite me on the whole island.
I think I'm falling
Oh my
for the
god.
mods.
Let me see. Do you want some hot and sour soup?
Yeah.
Yeah, favorite me, but not my favorite sim. Exactly. He's not my favorite Sims Townie, but he's my favorite me. I think it's like, this is gonna sound really unhinged, but it's like Bob and Mickey Mouse, I think, are my two favorite me's that I have on here. And I outright do not like Mickey Mouse in real life. Like, I think that man is terrifying. But on here, love him. But in real life, I'm not a Mickey fan. Okay, I'm gonna have him go meet somebody just because we're on. I'm gonna see if he could, like... Who did you not know? You don't know Elmo?
Okay.
Here. Maybe you could become friends. You know what it is though, Cyril? It's not that virtual Mickey is less terrifying. It's kind of like virtual Mickey is more terrifying. Like, it's kind of worse than the real one. And like, I like it better because of that. Anyway, I haven't checked my clothing store yet, have I? I got distracted by Bob. So. Ooh, celebrity outfit. Okay, I don't have that yet. I don't have this Sprout costume either. I do have one of these. I need to be careful about spending all my money buying every color of everything today, because I've been doing that a lot. Rabbit hood? Oh my god. I need to pick some, like, I already have all of those. Shoes with colorful socks. I have all of those. I like these too. I really like this dress. I kind of want to give that pink one to Glinda instead of the dress that I made her. I know, it having cake is really funny. It's like it knows. I have all the cake outfits. I bought all the colors of that one already a while ago. That's really something, that color. Ninja attire. Rock band tee. Let's see. I might buy this too, because I like the colors. It's nice to have some, like, nice graphic tees, you know? Dolly shirt. I think Evil Me wears this one. Me being like, I'm not gonna buy everything. Then what are you doing, Kayla? Seems like you're buying everything to me. I kind of like, I like this shade of blue. Maybe I'll buy that too. Okay. Let's try that just for now. Okay. Honestly, I'm like, because I can just do all my checking on the Miis tomorrow. Or yesterday. I think I'm gonna go to my birthday now. Which is yesterday. So I have to go backwards. But I want to celebrate my birthday, so we'll just leave it on that day. When you explain it like that, it like seems really weird. Maybe I could put my me in the cake suit. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, system settings. System. Date and time. August 14th. Yeah, time travel does mess up. That's why I played on today first, because it like punishes you by not letting your shops change. So we checked the shops. Now we don't care. And we'll be yesterday. You know? So we've accepted it. I think it causes you problems for like a day. Maybe it's like 24 hours. And I'm not going to stream tomorrow anyway, so I don't think it should matter too much. I wasn't going to play Tomodachi Life on Monday either. Yeah, see, your system time has changed since the last time you played. If you start the game as is, the in-game time may change, or the items offered in shops may not change for a little while. Do you want to start the game with the current time setting? Yes. At least it warns you. It'd be nice if Animal Crossing did that, and they were like, hey, you're gonna spoil your turnips if you open the game right now. Okay, oh my god, here we go. This is my birthday, I think. Steven!
We interrupt to bring you some breaking news.
I feel like I haven't seen him do the announcement.
There's some news worth celebrating.
Oh.
Today, Kayla is celebrating birthday number 27.
How is that
Live to
real?
her birthday party.
Happy birthday.
Why is he here?
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday.
Why is no one else here?
To you.
Congrats. Congrats.
Thanks.
We asked residents for their reactions.
I'm so happy I could cry. Oh, 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 oh.
Congratulations. What team?
Thanks for watching.
High School Musical 2, actually, believe it or not, High School Musical 2 came out on my birthday when I was in elementary school, and I had a birthday party that was High School Musical 2 themed, and my friends came over and we had a sleepover and watched the premiere of it.
Now here's some news worth celebrating. Today,
Oh my god, this is
lilsimsie
evil me.
celebrating
We have to watch
birthday
this
number
too.
27. We now take you live to her birthday party.
I actually cannot deal with this. Why does everyone came to hers instead? Even you and the mods went to hers instead. My sister is there. No way.
Congrats. Congrats. Congrats.
What?
We asked residents for their
Even
reactions.
Pietro is there for what?
Proud to live on this island right now.
Thanks for watching. I'm just Chris, and you're up to date.
That's so mean. Oh, finally somebody wants to talk to me, I guess.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, evil woman. This is from all of us.
Oh, thank you.
Congrats on 27 years. I hope this year brings you plenty of happiness and hope.
Oh, I came to my own birthday party.
You're looking great.
I'm tearing up. Happy tears, of course.
Everyone on Hot Diggity Dog is celebrating today.
Looking forward to seeing what you get up to next.
The way the camera had to pan all the way down because she's so small. All she said was congratulations.
Yay!
Oh. Yeah, let's save that. You know what? That was really something. I haven't seen it, what happens for like the, I was gonna say the me's birthday, but that doesn't make any sense. I meant literally me. I didn't know what happens when like the boss has a birthday, so that was fun. I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed, that was like a roller coaster of emotions. Like me having nobody, evil Simsie having everybody, and then Shella calling me evil woman on my birthday. Oh, you just have to laugh. Anyway, wow. I'm really glad we got to see that. I guess I need to make sure that I have more friends, huh? You're kind of like... I mean, I got into a lot of fights with the people I knew best. And that's... Oh. Winnie the Pooh just being on the floor.
Really the first time we've met. I'm Kayla.
Okay. Yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe it was the child that scared all my friends away.
Chipper, top dog.
Do you want this?
Yum.
But yeah, I got into a fight with like 5 different people. I used to have a lot of friends, and then I sort of caused myself some problems, and so now, like... I tried giving him honey, he didn't like it, which I actually found to be very disrespectful. Wait, no, come back. I'm gonna make sure Winnie the Pooh has a better home.
Good seeing you.
I feel like there's gotta be something that you could have that looks nicer. Oh, I need to give this Frill Seeker set to someone else. I really should like go through and redo people's bedroom appearances. Honestly, I could kind of see this for Winnie the Pooh. Yeah, the honeycomb room I'm already using for the bee. But I like this. You could be like in a little picnic setup. Okay. Yeah, this is different.
I hate to see people fighting, even though I'm guilty of it myself sometimes.
Okay. Yeah, maybe he's talking about me.
We haven't met yet.
That feels like kind of a loaded comment. Oh, he's talking about his favorite subject, death. Oh. Do you know Lord Farquaad? No. Perfect.
Video game soundtrack Pankatoli.
They're about the same age. I don't know if that's true. Oh, the Grim Reaper. Yes. They're the same height at least. Yeah, I feel like my me doesn't know the wizard. Maybe I should have me go meet the wizard. Maybe we should focus today only on me. What if today is all about me? First I'm gonna feed myself. And then we should like have me go talk to people. See, I'm friends with the mods. What do you want to eat, Kayla? Oh, your birthday cake, of course. She really liked it. Birthday cake, soda, and grilled cheese. Hey, that's a balanced meal. I think that's the dream. Do I want any more goods? I already have an easel, or not an easel, it's a painting set, but I think it has an easel sometimes. Knitting and a camera. You eat cautiously, you cry when you're angry.
I speak with a loud voice.
Maybe I give myself an expression. I might want a new outfit too. So I already say, I'm trying to move my face cam so you can see it. I say, but alas, and don't clip that. I don't really know what else I say. So I'm gonna need some help. Here's the thing. Oh my god, what if I start my sentences by saying here's the thing? Or hear me out. Oh my god. Every time I speak, I'll say hear me out. Okay.
Hear me out.
I think Greg Plant is reading something really scary with Pulp right now. Do you see them back there?
Hear me out. Huh. Hear me out. I wish more people would appreciate their my Sims, but alas.
Yeah, I always say that. That's so true. What else do I want to eat? I don't even like cotton candy that much, but I'll try it because it's my birthday. Okay, she likes cotton candy though. You made the Twilight book on your Tomodachi Island. Oh my god, I was talking about trying to make myself some more books, and then I never actually got around to it. Should I try and get us to make up, chat? Kayla can't approach chat because it would be awkward. Okay. We could try and make some books. Oh, you don't know... Was that... Okay, let's talk to just Chris.
Is this really the first?
What if I...
Okay. Who else do you not know? You've met them. I didn't introduce myself to my cats.
Hear me out. I don't think I've introduced myself.
Oh my god. Okay. Let's talk to Sunny next. Yeah, that's the wizard from Stardew Valley, yeah. Shrimp.
Hear me out. I don't.
Hear me out? I don't think I've introduced myself yet. Oh. Oh, that's really awkward. Her and Shrimp didn't get along. Why don't you know the cash crab either? What have I done?
You need.
You need to relax. Okay, I think you're better now.
Oh, Nancy Land.
Olivia Rodrigo is singing about Nancy Landgrab. Oh my. Nope, wrong person to pick up. I need to bring me to somebody else. You know them. You don't know Bonehilda? You don't know the blue Suburban?
Okay.
What? What? What have I done? That's ridiculous. You don't know Bonehilda? I know pretty much everybody. These are just like people that I made the most recently that I haven't introduced myself to at least. I haven't met Elphaba or Glinda though. Wait, why are they sitting in their rooms angry?
Huh. Is this really the first time we've met?
You're Kale. I'm.
I might try and do Elphaba's room. They lose friendship over time if they don't interact.
It's me.
Oh my god, they're giving me too much work. I got too many me's. Okay, I'm looking for something green for Elphaba. That actually could be an option, I think. I'm gonna do that. It's very like dear old shiz, you know?
This is exact.
It's exactly what she wanted.
I'm hungry.
Okay, let me feed you. I've been trying to give her food that is green mostly, but I've kind of run out of... How about green tea?
Thank you very much.
Here.
Yeah.
I could make her some more green food. That's true. That was rude.
Sorry, but
I'm glad you love Glinda. That's like the dream.
It's good. I want to take Elfie.
You should go out for your date. I'm gonna give her a new dress and then also give her a new bedroom too. Oh, and then me third wheeling in the date. Honestly, Glinda, I might let you do some ballet. Now that I'm thinking about it. I feel like that could be cool. Hi, Kier. Thank you for the raid. Thank you for being nice. I really appreciate that. I hope you had a good stream. What were you up to?
See me?
Okay, Glinda, I just bought you what I think is a better dress for you. Yeah, Robin's like jumping around back there. Yeah, I think I like that. And then let me also give you a better bedroom. Because I have like a pink... Building in The Sims and listening to some tunes. That's good. I'm glad that it was fun. I was gonna do this pink antique set for her. I feel like that works. Okay. Perfect.
It looks great.
I probably should have her meet me, but now she's on a date, so I feel bad, like... I don't really want to interrupt them. Let me see what the bee wants. I made the first dress for her, but I never liked my work on it that much. I'm looking chipper. Yeah. Indifferent? You asked me about Lightning McQueen and now you're indifferent? What? Okay. I'm gonna make the bee walk cutely, I think. I don't like when they walk by flying, because they don't move their arms at all. I kind of want the bee to have like a little pep in their step. Okay, I don't really want to feed you. I was gonna check on people that like need it more. Eliza Pancakes, how may I help you?
I want to be friends with a.
Okay.
What should
What should Alien and Eliza talk about? Maybe they could just talk about Bella Goth. Wait.
What did you have in mind?
How about a person? Because we don't even have Bella Goth on this island. But I kind of like it when they randomly bring up characters. And we don't have a lot of people in the island lingo.
Bella Goth.
Okay.
Got it. I'll go talk to them about Bella Goth.
Let's see what you have to say.
Hey, alien. Do you feel like talking about Bella Goth? I first heard about Bella Goth almost a year ago.
Surely you knew her before that. What are you talking about? That was a really weird interaction, I think. But like, okay, I guess. I don't know. Oh, we gotta put Cliff Kids in the island lingo.
I think they have seen me.
Alright. I guess, yeah, it's an alien. So like, you know. What did I expect? Do you have... I might make her eat cautiously like me. I feel like that could be good. Every time she opens her eyes like that, it scares me. Okay, who else needs help urgently? Agnes?
Yep.
Yep, what's up?
I'm pretty hungry right
Okay. Yep, what's up? Do you want like an elephant ear? I think that could be good. She did. She did want that. Let me feed you like one more time. Yeah, she's dating the slug. It's kind of weirding me out a little bit. Apple crumble.
Yum.
Sorry, I don't like apple crumble either.
Elmo loves you. Oh, so.
Okay. Okay, I kind of want to draw a book now. What book cover should we draw? Oh, Shrimpy wants to fly. That's actually so cute. Yeah, my first thought was like, what about like the Hunger Games or something? But I don't know, is that too like obvious of a choice? Garfy Girl, thank you so much for the gifted subs. Somebody else said they made Twilight earlier. I haven't even read Twilight, but I would make it for my Mies to read. Let me look up the Hunger Games so I can put a picture on the screen of the book cover. I think that we could probably do this pretty easily. Because it's like, I mean, the bird is going to be hard, but look, this is the Hunger Games cover, and a lot of it is like lines. So I think that this might be manageable. Yeah, I haven't read Twilight. I know it's terrible. I probably should. I keep saying that and then not reading it, but the Twilight cover is pretty iconic. So that could be another one for us to do. Yeah, I've seen the movies. I've seen all the Twilight movies. I'm trying to turn this off. There we go. I'll just save the Twilight image also, just in case. That's the My Sims logo. Don't worry about that. What we want is the Hunger Games. I'm gonna see if I can put this on the vertical camera. 1, 2. It's image. Okay. This way, if people come in like on mobile, they'll be able to see the Hunger Games icon. Twilight is great as a teen, terrible as an adult. Yeah, and like sometimes that's fun. You know? Oh, the Twilight audiobook. I bet I could get the Twilight audiobook from my library. That might be a fun option, actually. Okay. Here we go. The audiobook is on YouTube? Is it actually? That might be even better. Should I put in a whole quest right now for it? On Libby, though? Let's find out. Twilight. Mm-hmm. 2 weeks wait. 1 copy in use. 0 people waiting. Hold. Placed. First in line. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna get Twilight. That one's for the ebook though, not the audiobook, but okay. The Hunger Games. I feel like I might need to do all of these letters, honestly, like a little bit more separate. You know, because they have quite a bit of space between them. I'll scoot these closer together, don't worry. But hello? Did I just undo it by accident? Oh my god, what did I do? I must have. Sorry. Okay, how about this far apart? I think I like that. Okay. So it also has like a red border. So I might do that too. But I might first make everything just like a little bit thicker. And then I'll put the red border around it. Maybe I'll keep that one skinny. I should know. You love the Hunger Games series? I do too. I just reread them earlier this year. Or wait. It was earlier this year, right? When did Sunrise on the Reaping come out? Was that last year? Surely not. Whenever it came out, I read all of them again and then read Sunrise and the Reaping. That was last year? Oh boy. In my defense, the last year of my life feels like it's not real. So. No! Oh my god, why did I do that? Oh my goodness. I need to get that together. Oh yeah, it's GlueCon, isn't it? I forgot about that. Big day. What time does GlueCon go live? I don't know how he does these things. 3 p.m. Eastern. Oh, perfect. I'll rate him later then. Okay. Looking good so far, everybody. Okay. Hunger games. I'm gonna keep them having the spaces in between so I can scoot them up. I just want to have like a slightly more custom amount of space. Okay. Interesting. I think I will scoot this maybe over 3 each time. So it's just like a little bit closer. This way I can make it a little bit bigger too. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, still spaced out, but a bit better. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to hit my desk. What other games am I gonna play today? Fantastic question. Slightly undecided. I want to check my birthday on Pokopia as well. I also wanted to check my birthday on Animal Crossing. I can't do it on Philcore, because my birthday on my Philcore island is set as Phil's birthday. So it's not my birthday there, but we can still, like, play various games that will give me birthday presents. Yeah, I feel like maybe that is a little bit better. This is more like right there, I think. Let's see. Do you think it's too close to the edge? I don't think so. Maybe I do think so. Unclear. I'm gonna have to erase a little, or maybe just trace this part with red. No! Yeah, it would be like red in there. Do you think I should put them all a tiny bit closer together? That is kind of annoying. But maybe if it was just one. Because if I centered it, I think it would look a little bit nicer. It's still not super close together. But it hopefully... Yeah, I actually think that is better. And once the outlines are done, it would probably look better too. I'm just thinking, so I want to try and make the shapes of these a little bit different because it's much blockier text. Like, it's actually kind of like this, the U and stuff. So we'll try and fix those too. I feel like font-wise, that'll make a big difference. I think actually, because the E on the actual Hunger Games font has like a really skinny inside, and it's actually much shorter than the other one. So I think that might be nice. Okay. So like just imagine that we did this to all of them. Yeah, we're gonna make all of the letters more square. For the ones that need it. Like the G will be more square. Weirdly, the S is kind of rounded on theirs, but it's like a little bit flatter on the top and bottom. So we'll do them all. I think I'm gonna just copy this E though. Save myself the pain of doing it myself again. Okay, I think for the S, I kind of want to make it just a little bit blockier. I know, the S on the cover kind of looks like it's from a different font. I haven't really ever noticed that before, but it does look like that. That's kind of weird. Okay. Then we want to erase like this part. Yeah, that's gonna be better. Okay. Well, maybe I'll make it actually like a tiny bit... I might make it a tiny bit thicker, now that I'm looking at it. Okay. It's like so different on the top and bottom. Whatever, I don't care. It's fine. So, the G. Trying to decide how I want to do this. They have it kind of like that. Maybe we make it like 3 tiles there. They also have... It's like a little bit skinnier. I'm trying to make the Hunger Games in Tomodachi Life Zenny. Yeah, that's good. Lovely. I'm preparing my Mies to fight to the death. Well, that's really quite something. That already is starting to look better. Once we get the other G the same and then we do the R, I think we'll be in a really good spot. Let me switch to this. Well, what did you all get up to today? Anybody do anything fun today? I started the stream, I was talking about it earlier, but all I did today was watch Top Chef and play games on my phone. I sat on the couch all day today so far before I went live. Which I don't normally get to do, so that was kind of fun for me. Oh my god, do it again. Sorry, that was scary. Well, you know what, Silly? My mom just listened to the Hunger Games books, which she had never done before. And she really enjoyed them. So maybe you could listen to them. This is the wrong size. Okay. I just need to like... Basically, I'm trying to scoot upwards some of that stuff. Oh, I actually think that's accurate, and before it wasn't. Okay, that's good. Let's get rid of this. And then copy this. When am I when am I playing Pokopia again? Probably in like a little bit of time today. I don't know what time exactly, but I'm gonna play Pokopia today. Because I'm trying to play a bunch of games that I want to celebrate my birthday in, but like for a brief amount of time. So I might do like an hour of this and then some Pokopia, you know? So we'll play Pokopia soon. I want to do this first. Okay, we gotta fix the R still. But things are going a bit better now. Let's get this all the way in there. And then it has an actual square in the middle. Am I gonna want to like... Hold on, I'm gonna try and erase some of it over on this side. I kind of wanted it to be like a little bit skinnier, maybe? It's not really like that though, is it? Maybe it just needs to stay how it was. You failed your Mii's proposal! Oh no, I'm sorry. I did that with my first one too. You'll get them next time. I don't like that. Maybe I need to erase the whole thing. And oh, here's part of the problem. I think this needs to be more like, okay. We might have been able to figure it out now. Oops. Can I do this like, oh no. Maybe, I'm trying to look at it, so maybe if I started it in this corner, I feel like that looks more like the actual Hunger Games logo. At least I hope it does. Sure. Oh, it still looks like it's too skinny. I was trying to make it better. I think I did. I think once it has a red outline, it'll definitely help. Maybe that's better. It's the same thickness all the way through on the actual picture. Maybe it just, because on the real picture, it's kind of, like, I would say it is kind of an extreme thickness. So maybe that's just what it needs, is to be like really committed to it. You know what? That's probably better. When you see it over here, I think that looks like the real logo. Okay. I don't think that we're gonna need to make a ton of adjustments to the A, but like just in case, I'm kind of thinking maybe we should. I'm gonna try and copy this. I don't know why it looks so different on each side. Oh my god, I keep doing it. I try and copy it and then I just delete it by accident. That is better. Okay. Thank you for saying happy birthday to me, chat. I really appreciate that. You're very nice. Birthdays are fun, huh? Alright. We'll see how the M goes. I don't know if we'll like it. No, I put too much. That's a little bit different than what it looks like in the picture, but I think that's probably fine. I did wear a birthday button yesterday at Disney. I sure did. I had a great time yesterday. We went to Animal Kingdom, and it rained later in the day, and here's like a tip if you're ever coming to Disney World and you're gonna go to Animal Kingdom, because it rains here all the time. When you go on the safari, if it is raining when you go on the safari, it's like the best chance to go and do that because the animals are out like so much more in the rain. We went on the safari when it was raining, and I watched the elephants swimming. They have a baby elephant who is probably like, maybe she's like 2.5 or 3 now. But the mom and the baby elephant were swimming and like playing in the water because it was raining. It was so cute. So that made my whole day, my whole year almost. But yeah, if you ever come to Animal Kingdom, take advantage of it raining. The wait time was also like 5 minutes for it, which like sometimes in the summer, it might be like 90 minutes in the morning to ride that. And then in the afternoon, it was 5 minutes and it was raining and I saw that. I rode it twice. We went again after that. And I rode it 3 times total because I went on it in the morning too. Just like looked at animals all day. Anyway, I really like Animal Kingdom. That's my favorite Disney park. I understand that people that like travel here might not care for it as much, but I love Animal Kingdom. The vibes are good. You can do a lot of fun things without having to wait in lines. They have the best food in all the Disney parks. I think it's the coolest, like temperature-wise of all the Disney parks too. I never understand this because I hear people on the internet talking about the Disney parks and they're like, Animal Kingdom's the hottest one. I like wholeheartedly disagree. Animal Kingdom has the most shade out of all of them. Like by far. Everything, there's trees everywhere. So it's just really good vibes. It's best Disney park. Okay. Yeah, the trees are good for shade and there's like enough places to sit. You know when you go to a theme park and like you want to try and eat your lunch, but there's nowhere shaded, like no shaded tables to sit at and eat, and like you're trying to find a bench but all of them are taken and the ones that aren't taken are in the sun, and like Animal Kingdom doesn't have that problem. There's places to sit. Nice shady ones. Yeah, I agree that Hollywood Studios is the hottest Disney park. It's horrible. I think that's the worst Disney park too. And they have no shade in Hollywood Studios and nowhere to sit. No benches. Okay. We're almost there with the text. I think it's getting there. Okay. Yeah, I don't even go to Hollywood Studios. Least favorite one. I like things there, but I just don't really like being there. Yeah, the S is one little block too small. Unfortunately. I'll have to fix that in a second. I was gonna leave the S wrong. I guess I probably shouldn't, huh? Maybe I can move this down. Oh, I have been to Epic Universe. You know what? Epic Universe is the hottest park in Orlando. Now, if you want to talk about places that are hot, Epic Universe is the hottest one. They do not have enough shade in Epic Universe. At all. At all. It is horrible. I remember when Epic Universe is the new Universal Park. And when they first made it, all of the like theme park people, all of the vloggers and stuff would go there, and then they would be like, no guys, don't worry, there's no shade right now, but like just the trees haven't grown in yet. So like once the trees have grown in, they'll be shady. Okay, so what, in like 10 years? And there's like palm trees in a lot of places. Tell me, what shade are you gonna get from palm trees? Maybe they should put some umbrellas out or something. Like, the trees are not gonna grow in enough yet. They need some, there's gonna be a while. So, anyway, I thought that was funny though, all the people trying to be like, no guys, don't even worry, there's trees. No. No. Not enough. We're gonna go to Epic Universe with Dan's family when they come, because Dan's siblings, and the baby are coming to visit us in October, and we're gonna go to Epic Universe when they're here, and I'm really excited about it. It will be very fun. Okay. Yeah, baby's first Disney visit. Now the E and the S are bigger than the rest of them. Oh. You know what it is? So I think the letters in this row are actually a tile bigger than the ones in this row. Or this G is up too high by one tile. And then maybe it's not. Well, I'm just gonna add to the A. It's gonna be, well, you know what, also? It's gonna be so small, you will not be able to tell when you're looking at it in game. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, I'm gonna be the coolest aunt. Hey, I'm working on my reputation already. I'm the aunt that lives by Disney. Like, objectively speaking, I have the coolest place to visit. I'm not gonna host a Hunger Games on my island, no. I decided, oh, this R is too small too. Whatever, it's fine. I decided to make a book for them to read. I felt in the mood to copy something, and so now I'm copying the Hunger Games cover. And I'm gonna make it for my Mies, and I might give it to myself as a birthday present. How about that? Dan's brother had a baby a few months ago, Emily. So she was born a little bit ago. I think that I need to slightly more offset these. It's only slight, but it's kind of like that, maybe? Yeah, I don't like to use the outline tool because it's too thick. Okay, Suzanne Collins. Suzanne. I'm gonna take my switch out of the dock and stretch these letters also in a second. Should you buy Animal Crossing or the new Pokopia DLC? Oh boy. unfortunately, I might be Team Pokopia. No, I mean Team Animal Crossing over Pokopia, because the Pokopia DLC is cheaper, but like, overall, to buy the Pokopia DLC and the main Pokopia game, it's like so much money. So it's hard to justify that. Like, you'll get a lot more content out of Animal Crossing. Forgive me, sorry. I'm just gonna try and space this bottom layer out a tiny bit because they did that with her name on the cover. Like, Collins is the same width as Suzanne. So I would pick Animal Crossing if I had to pick between the two. But I also just like Animal Crossing better than Pokopia, so... Okay. So I understand that this is maybe a little bit too small, but that's gonna be fine. So basically, I'm taking my Switch out of the dock, and then I want to stretch it, but you can only do it, like, with your hand. So what I want to do is, like, I did that wrong. What I want to do is drag this, and, oh, come on. It's hard for me to do it when I can't see it. Basically, I want to stretch it like that, you know, make it a little bit taller. Because that's kind of how it is on the actual cover. And then we will edit it to be flatter. Okay. Nice. And we're back. I wish it was easier to do that, but alas, it is not. Those are cutting it pretty close, huh? I don't know if I like this. Oh no. Oh dear. Well, I guess I will erase some of that and that. Well, actually, I guess on the book cover, the S does go down a little bit more. I should have just drawn this myself. Instead of trying to copy it, like, or trying to edit this, we should have just drawn it, and then it would have been fine. Oh well. How did you spend your birthday? Oh, I made pixel art of the Hunger Games cover. Thank you so much for asking. You have a distraction for us, Marissa? What's up? Okay. Chat, do you think I should try and go on a walk later after I get off stream? Or will that pain me because of the heat and I should just stay inside? Is a cheesecake a pie or a cake? Oh my god. I don't like your question, Marissa. I think cheesecake is... I would say that it's more like a pie, but you call it a cake, so therefore... I don't know. It's more like a tart, though, isn't it? Yeah. But I'm like pie leaning towards cake, but actually probably tart. Oh my god, I thought I had a straight line turned on. All right. Couple of the letters looking a lot better now. So that's nice. Yeah, it's like kind of a hybrid of both. I don't know. You think a cheesecake is too tall to be a pie? Interesting point. I guess I could see that. Oh my god. Pies have no height limit? I mean, yeah, when people make like a meringue pie, they pile those up pretty high. Okay, so something that's not cool is all this stuff is the wrong size. But I think I'll be able to get a better, and we'll fix it. It's gonna be fine. I think these smaller letters are gonna be easy for us to fix. Okay. I thought that for the O, I would just draw it across. Oh yeah, sorry. I was doing that on purpose. Sorry if that wasn't clear. I was gonna like just take the U and edit it into an O. Because I already had drawn part of it, so I thought it would be easier this way for me. But I suppose it did look like I was spelling her name wrong for a second there. Okay. A's and N's. A's and N's. We can. Oh, I guess I didn't do the E yet either. But we got this. It will be fine. Sure. Oh, thank you so much, Parsley. I appreciate that. That's really kind of you to say. Yeah, Cullens! Oh my god, we were talking about, like, the Cullens and Twilight earlier, and here I tried to write Cullen on my thing. That's funny. Okay, I want that to be where the A goes. And I want to have there be a little bit more space in between it. You thought I was calling you Parsnaps at first? I mean, I could. Should I? I feel like that's not really how the book is, but we could probably do it like this. You know what? That looks better. Smudge block here. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Do you think it would be okay if we had it like... Yeah. Copy. Scoot over. Scoot over. And then... Oh. I honestly have no idea how this has happened because wasn't the S the same as the upper level and they're like not the same size? Whatever. Suzanne Collins. Oh, these ends are too small. Right. Right. Okay. Got it. Sorted. It's a different end down there now, but... I think I'm gonna space these out. I'm sorry that I'm spending so long on this. It's so ridiculous. But... it's great fun, so... this is really supposed to be, the Collins is supposed to be the same width as, 1, 2, 3, okay, the same width as the Suzanne. And I think it makes it a bit easier to read it when it's like this anyway. Okay. We're really getting somewhere with this. Put that up and over a little bit like this. We need to write New York Times best-selling author. And put it above her name. I might skip some of the text. I think it's gonna be so small that you won't be able to read the whole thing, so instead of writing out New York Times, I'll do this. A-U... Yeah, it's gonna look like this, which is not legible, but we'll know it's there. Here, I'll even finish the word author. Thor. Love that. It has like the implication of it saying author. Yeah, it's hard to see it on the tiny picture, but it is there, look. It's just really small text. Okay. This is where it becomes difficult and unpleasant. Like, this is where we're gonna have a really annoying time doing this. So... I feel like that gray could be good. I'm gonna have to do mine like... because Suzanne's name is bigger on here than it is on the actual book. Okay. Maybe I should do that again. Hold on. Because if we did it again, I'd be able to put it up here behind things more easily, especially if we did it like, I don't know, imagine we started with the one circle and then we did it by doing outlines instead. Oh, that outline might be a little bit too skinny. Let's try it again. But with this one, the middle circle is a bit small. Am I gonna be able to erase on the outside better? Oh, you know what I will be able to do? Is trace it with black. Oh, that broke my N. Because the black you can't see. Like when you look at it on the preview, it's not there, so. Okay. I have read the newest Hunger Games book, yeah. I really liked it. That was like, this maybe is not the right way of putting this, but it was like healing to my inner child to read the newest Hunger Games book because I was so obsessed with it when I was young. So like reading it now, I don't know, it was like really fun for me. I need to put the N back after I do this, I think. Okay, so this one needs to be down here. Oops. And then this one, well, it needs to go underneath like kind of a bunch of these things. So yeah, it was brutal. It was a very brutal read. But I really liked it. I should have brought those with me. This is making this very complicated for myself, isn't it? Oh yeah, you can set it to go underneath without moving things around. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Kayla. Can I make it a bit bigger? I don't know, I kind of would rather it be how it is. But we'll just fill in a little bit more of the middle bit with gray. Like, basically we want that part to be more gray. Okay. Can I still draw behind this and have it be... This is really annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna erase a lot of this stuff that is like in the way. No. You see, that's why I was using the bigger brush. It's just because that's how I can get it to match. But it's looking kind of weird, some might even say. Let's try it again. I put too many of them. So that's good. Oh wait, no, I didn't because I need to fill, sorry, I'm probably, this is like so ridiculous, I know. We want that to be like that. And then I have to redraw some of this. Hi, Owen. I'm glad that you think it looks good. I feel really excited about this one, so I appreciate it. Okay. That's a bit better, I think. So now we need to try and get... I don't know how I'm gonna do the logo. I'm like really trying to put it off. It's scary. I turned 27, DC Fangirl, yesterday. That's fine. We know it's supposed to be an N. Okay, so the bird. Shello would probably draw this bird, like, from scratch. Isn't that kind of messed up when you think about it? Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Sorry, go away. Go away. This one? If we could make this one be like a little bit more yellow, that might be the way. Let me save the book how it is so I can go into another page, you know? Oh, wait. Oh, no. I want to write The Hunger Games. Oh, I guess I could make a stamp. I can save this whole thing as a stamp, right? Turn this picture into a stamp. Yeah, okay. So let me get rid of this. So I have a free canvas to do... It's in the items. Sorry, I didn't mean to yawn. Oh my gosh. It'll probably be like about that size, I would say. Colorize. I was hoping to make some of the yellowy stuff. Oh. Oh my god, if we could try and get this to look like a true gold, we can just use the color of it. I feel like that could work. And I'll just pick that as the shade that we'll use for the circle. It's a little bit, like, lighter than the real one. The real one has, like, a bit more of an orange tone to it, I would say. But can I colorize the other bird that had the perfect shape? Oh, you want this one instead? I guess this one might be a little bit better. Let me get rid of that for a second. Now that we're colorizing. No, you're right. That one is a better shape. I wonder if we could try to, like... Wait a minute. I'm gonna try to get a bit more of a beak. Because we're gonna want that for the arrow. Its beak is like way bigger than that. Maybe I'll erase a little bit more of its foot. Maybe I'll just get rid of its foot right here. And I'll give it more beak. Okay. I'm kind of trying to make it have like a couple different tones of things. Okay. Imagine if the whole thing was colorized, right? Like it would be, I think, perfectly fine. I'm gonna try and give it a little bit more wing too. This is a really weird way of doing the wing, sorry. I just want to keep like some of the texture, you know? Okay. Yeah, now it's a little bit pointier, which might be better anyway. Let me try and get this a little bit more pointy too. And then I might erase those. Okay, let's colorize it now. Can I rotate it so the spiky tail feathers match up? I'm scared of rotating anything, to be honest. I could add more spiky tail feathers into it. I feel like that's a little bit more similar to the shape of the bird. Anyway, all right, let's try and colorize this. So, oh, it doesn't matter what color you do that. You just need to do this first. And then is this my island mascot? I mean, no, but I mean, it could be, I guess, if we wanted it to be. What shade of gold shall we use? Sorry. Yeah, I know it's more like a gold color than yellow, but this is kind of like the best that we can do. Unfortunately, with like us trying to get it to be the exact right color. I think you should be a bit smaller. Oh, but if I'm gonna do it smaller, I need to just draw it again, probably. How much rotating can this tolerate? I feel like once you start to rotate them, they start to get scary looking. Because it makes it a lot more pixely. But this way we can have the arrow through it, and I think it would still look good. It is very pixely, though. It's gonna be so tiny in-game that I don't think you'll really be able to tell. It's just hard to accept it that way. I don't know. Because you want it to be perfect. I think that's a little bit better. Okay, let's draw the arrow. So the arrow is gonna be probably like slightly in the wrong place too. Because our beak is like in a way different angle. But oh no. I guess we can just put it up. It doesn't need to be going past the tail. We can just get it at the right angle. I hope this is gonna look right. I kind of want to get like a little bit of a shadow on it. It's hard to make it more brassy, Adam, just because of the fact that we're trying to like work only with what it let me colorize. Because I'm trying to use a stamp instead of drawing the bird myself, so it's gonna be like slightly off. This is not what I thought I was gonna do today. It's so funny how this game, it like sucks me into doing the most random things. Oh. I wonder if I could try and use that as the arrow point. No, you can just draw it yourself. It doesn't need to be done like that. It's not exactly complicated to make an arrow. I want it to be like really pointy, I think. Okay. That's good. And then back here, it's like... I don't even know how well we can do this little part. It's like a little bonus section. I guess I've made the whole thing a bit larger, so we can have it be in the wrong place just for the sake of it looking better, but they have like this little guy. You've been playing Fields of Mistria since 7 AM and it's now nearly 9 PM. Oh my god, Kath. I'm really glad that you're having fun. I feel like you really needed this. So that's a good thing. I don't know. I don't know. Let's get a slightly darker color for this part. So it goes like this, and then 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 like this, and then like this. And it's painted in kind of like that, except the color is looking pretty weird. Can I just let it be like a really weird shape? Because I would really like to. I feel like that's fine. Let me turn this into a stamp too. Okay, so now we want to take all of this and send it away. And And then we're gonna put this back. And then, oh, I made it too big. That's really annoying of me. So it's gonna be a little bit crunchier than we wanted it to be, but that's okay. Then we just gotta draw some lines now. Which I feel like can be done. What's the thickness on this? I guess that's fine. Okay, so that goes like that. Should I try and get like a little smooth line that goes right there and right there? I feel like it needs to be the same thing again though. You left for like an hour. Oh my god, and what's horrible is I've been doing this the whole time. You left for an hour and what did you miss? Okay. So I need to get a line that can go like this. So it's gonna need to be kind of long, but I want to draw it first and then put it under everything. Because if we move it, I think I'll be able to... Yeah, I want it to be like... Oh, you can't put it actually under everything. I can just do it underneath those. So I'll have to draw the line further up so you can see it. I guess the E is covering the problem mostly. But what I mean is like, I need to try and make this part look right. It's just a really cool final reveal. There you go. That's true. I might let that go there. Straight line. Yeah, and then straight line. There we go. I just gotta get these last little bits added in. They want it on the top. I'm worried that we can't fit it on the top how I want it to go. Because the text is a little bit smaller and like the tail comes out further. What do you think we should do about that? I really don't know. Yeah, I'm like, maybe I should have tried to get it closer to this part. It's not right, but maybe if we just did it with the one, that could be like artistic license. No, it's not good enough. I think I need to undo pretty much all of that. What if instead we took these and we put them in first and then we drew the line based on it? I think that could be okay. This is hard. Okay, so it's gonna need to be a bit more like that. I feel like that's fine. Okay. And then we'd put it kind of like in there, like that, but behind them. Okay. And then I just gotta connect it up to like here. Okay. We've done it, chat. We're gonna be fine. We're getting somewhere with this. I mean, I think that's the Hunger Games cover. I guess maybe our gray is like a little bit too light. Now that I'm looking at it again. Maybe we need to get a slightly darker gray. That shouldn't be too hard for us to change. Or like... because it's kind of a subtle difference. I really have been having so much fun making stuff like this in Tomodachi life. Oh my god, I did it again. Yeah, I think the little bit of a darker gray is better. Is this whole thing off by one tile? It might be. If so, we will have to fix it. You see how there's like this little gap? What the heck? Doesn't matter about the black part because the black part is invisible. Okay. That was so fun for me. Thank you for indulging me on this one, chat. I really enjoyed doing this. Let me make it the Hunger Games. Oops. The Hunger Games.
The Hunger Games.
Okay. Next. Content. Honestly, I'm gonna put terrifying. We don't really need to have any book text, I don't think. Yeah, that's good. That's so fun. Who should we give it to first?
Welcome.
Maybe me, because
Thank
it's
you
my
very
birthday.
much.
Simsie. Oh, she was talking to Eliza Pancakes.
I knew I'd find you here,
Yikes.
but alas,
I made you something. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Here. Oh, we could have put I volunteer as tribute as the book text. Oh, why didn't I think of that? We could edit it. Oh, she liked it. You like scary books, Kayla? I'm very surprised.
tell me, when, any interest in scheming?
Yeah, we can update it. Maybe I'll do it right now. Hear me out. I'm glad I met you. I said to myself. Let's edit this. Done. Because I want to change the text. Settings. Book text. Add text. Hi. Volunteer. There's a pink bubble. Oh my god. So how about this? We'll check the pink bubble and then I want to play Pokopia.
I volunteer as tribute.
Oh, may the odds ever... Oh, no, let's do this for now. Because I already typed it and it's annoying to type on my Switch. I feel really good about that. I'm going to show Dan what I made. I'm like, now I want to make more books. I know I probably shouldn't do that today. Okay, let's go see. Pink bubble? Who? The mods.
Oh. Welcome to the... I can't explain it, but Kako is on my mind all the time lately. But alas,
That sounds like love.
I
Oh my
knew
god,
it.
the mods are in love with
I'm
Lightning
in love with
McQueen.
Kako, but alas, I want to shout it from a mountaintop. I'd love to go on a date with Kako, but alas.
Head over heels, kinda getting along. Oh my god. Lightning McQueen is like the hottest person on the island, according to these people. Like, everybody is obsessed with Lightning McQueen. What should we have the mods say? They already say banned when angry, and they end a sentence by saying, but alas. What else should the mods say? Just poll. Just poll. Should it be a catchphrase? Oh, the mods also do say, oh, look shiny a lot. That's true. Specifically, Marissa does, to try and distract people. Maybe, should I put it as like a catchphrase? Oh, look shiny. We could just put do not yell. That's true. Oh my god, it's too much. Chat behave? Wait a minute, what if you just said behave? We could say chat behave, but what if we just put behave and they just talk to people like that?
Behave.
Oh, all caps, that's better. Sorry, oh my god, I keep messing up. I've been trying to do this so much. Behave.
Behave.
Okay. You're lucky they're not talking to only chat when they say that.
Behave.
Good.
Well, looks like...
Oh my god, I can't believe you're in love with Lightning McQueen. Well, this has been a very effective day of Tomodachi life. I think now I want to log into Pokopia and check my birthday over there. Shall we? I think we shall. Let me add a stream marker into this as well. Okay, stop here.